Gentlemen, the line between looking mysterious and creepy is a thin one. And so, in an attempt to help you not look like a creepy weirdo in front of all these sassy, spicy senoritas, I'm going over 10 things that we do that women think make us look creepy. The truth is that the majority of us are not creepy. There's a few of you out there that are probably on the creepy side of the spectrum, that a lot of times we're just a little bit awkward and we do things because we're excited, we're nervous, that come across a little creepy. But the good news, by identifying them and modifying the behaviors or actions slightly, you can go from looking super creepy to aloof, alluring, dashing, and charming. But a few of these really isn't a modification, and the truth is you're creepy. Number one. Staring. And this is a tricky one, right? Because if you see something that's beautiful, you want to look, right? But that's the thing. You look, you glance, and then you retreat, and then you glance again. But locking, loading, and just like fixating and focusing is super uncomfortable, and it makes you look like a weirdo. Everybody knows when they're being stared at, right? And when you're staring at somebody, it puts them in a very uncomfortable position. Some people, I'm sure, like it, like they think, hey, I'm beautiful, but the majority of people think it's a little bit weird and you look a little bit desperate. And if there's any chance for you making eye contact and giving a little smile, making it happen, it's not gonna happen if you stare too long. Since we're talking about smiling, the second thing that makes you look super creepy is holding a smile too long. When you hold a smile too long without changing expression or anything other than just like, yeah, it makes you look creepy. Third thing that makes you look creepy, hitting on women that could be your daughter. Nothing that makes a guy look creepier than when he's the old guy hitting on the young girl. Now, what is old versus young? What is the age span that you should stay away from? I don't know, man. I would say 10 years, possibly 15. Once it starts creeping into the they could be your daughter, then that's definitely creepy. Number 4 is touching. When you don't even freaking know the person. Do not be the dude that is all pawsy and handsy and always trying to massage shoulders and can I just get a hug? I hope you get kicked in the nuts. Fifth thing that always makes a dude look super creepy and desperate and weird is always talking about sex. You gotta harness your super freak and keep it in here or in here. Don't let it come out of here, because the minute it does, you look creepy and unsexy and unattractive and super freaking desperate. Gentlemen, the sixth thing that makes you look super creepy is
not using Tiege Hanley.
What? I don't know if there's been a study done, but I don't need a study, and apparently neither does Fishing Girl. She knows, and I know, creepy dudes don't take care of their skin. They don't need to. They're too busy acting creepy and looking weird and surfing for things that they shouldn't be looking at. Gentlemen, the deal is this. If you do not want to be creepy and you want to be handsome forever, you gotta step up your game. If you wanna be less creepy and more handsome, you gotta hit that special link down below. There, you're gonna get an incredible discount on the best skincare system in the history of skincare. With Tiege Hanley, we give you the products you need, nothing extra, right? We've cut out the middleman, which means we can offer you amazing quality products at a ridiculous price. We've also taken all the guesswork out of looking incredible. In every kit, you're gonna get this little card. This tells you exactly what time of day to use what product and how much to use. We've got 3 different levels. We've got level 1 for your basic starter, like I'm new to skincare, I don't do anything. We've got level 2, level 3 that are a little more advanced. And recently we've launched the Tiege Hanley Acne System. We've got level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is for mild, level 2 more severe. The deal is this, guys, regardless of what you're doing for your skincare, if you're not using Tiege Hanley, you are spending too much money and you're wasting it because you're probably using products that don't work or you don't need. You need to start now. The younger you start taking care of your skin, the better it's going to look throughout your life. Meaning that when you get older, you'll still look super fresh and young, so nobody will know when you're hitting on 18-year-old honeys that you're really super creepy. Did you see how I tied it back? Exactly. There's a special discount link down below. If you hit that link, that's going to give you an incredible deal on any of the Tiege Hanley levels. Go see what's right for you and then choose the system that you think is going to work best for you, your skin, and your situation. But I promise you this, you're never going to find a better product, you're never going to find an easier system, and at the end of the day, it's super crazy freaking affordable. Link below. The 7th thing that makes you look super creepy and definitely shady is lying. Telling little white lies even. Now, the truth is that the majority of us, when we do tell white lies or like sort of little fibs or exaggerations, we're trying to impress somebody or we're trying to make ourselves look better than we are. But the truth is, you're amazing and you're beautiful, and you don't need to exaggerate, you don't need to lie, you don't need to be anything other than yourself. So stop it, because it's unnecessary. The 8th thing that makes you look creepy: you laugh at everything, even when stuff's like not funny. Everybody knows the guy that laughs at everything. It doesn't matter that it's not a joke, he just laughs. It's almost like a nervous tick, and it's something that you definitely need to control, because when you're laughing at things that are sort of like out of place or not really like appropriate, it makes you look a little bit weird and like something's going on up here that's not quite right. The 9th thing that makes you look crazy is when you are super freaking intense. Last but certainly not least, the 10th thing that makes you look just crazy is when you're super jealous and you overreact and you get mad at little things and you pout, right? Like, come on. Really? Like, really? I know you're a super great guy, but if you're doing any of these 10 things, chances are you are given the vibe that you're a little creepy, and I don't want that, because you are definitely gonna miss out on some spicy senoritas that deserve an incredibly non-creepy guy like you.
Tiege Hanley.